Are you aware of the opportunities in the mechatronics and smart manufacturing sector? Do you want to learn more about the Internet of Things, industrial Internet of Things, robotics, and other emerging technologies that are used in a smart factory? Hello everyone, I'm Pratyusha and welcome to NSN's YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the Diploma in Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory program by NTTF, which is the right course for you if you are looking to build a career in the mechatronics and smart manufacturing industry, as the course will help you build the right skills and expertise and will also make you industry ready. As per a recent report by Markets and Markets, the smart factory market size is expected to reach $134.9 billion by 2026. The increased demand for technologies such as IoT, robotics, high-performance computing, and others could explain such rapid growth in the future. These technologies aid in cost reduction, energy efficiency, and manufacturing efficiency. With rapid technological disruption and gradually increasing smart factory market size, companies have started looking to hire professionals with the right education and skills in mechatronics and smart manufacturing. So the 3-year full-time diploma in mechatronics engineering and smart factory program by NTTF will definitely help you gain the right skills along with a formal diploma certification. So now let us look at what's in it for you, what the program will offer you, and how the program is beneficial for you to build a strong career in the domain. The course comprises of 60% practical and 40% theory to ensure your industry readiness. There will be online assessments through TAB test after every session. Intermediate exams and semester exams will be conducted in both theory and practical. So this will ensure that the things that you are learning is actually industry relevant, and you are putting your efforts and time to learn the right skills and expertise for this particular domain. Competency building will be done through technical talks, soft talk, discovery learning, working projects in the 6th semester. So along with providing you the necessary technical skills, it will also help you build the right soft skills and life skills. Opportunity to participate in various national and international competitions. So while in the program, you will get an opportunity to participate in various national and international competitions in this particular domain. Hands-on practical training through special machines like PCB, CNC, Festo, MPS kits, among others. You'll get an opportunity to learn and to have a hands-on practical training, and you'll actually get to use new age machines such as PCB, CNC, Festo, MPS kits, among others. You'll get an exposure to modern tools like 5S, learn manufacturing, TPM concepts through various drives. Now let us look at what will be the career opportunities after the completion of this diploma program. So once you are done with this program, you will be able to get a good career opportunity, or you will get a good exposure in the mechatronics and smart manufacturing industry. There are various job roles that you will be able to apply for, and your skills and expertise and the certificate will be relevant for a wide range of job roles. After the completion of the course, you'll get an opportunity to work in various sectors of engineering and manufacturing in India, such as automotive, aerospace, medical, defense system, consumer products, manufacturing, material processing, among others. So in all these sectors, there are various job roles that you will be able to apply for. So let us look at some in-demand job roles where you will be able to work after the completion of this diploma program. Electrical electromechanical technician, robotic engineers, build engineers, design and development of automation solutions, mechanical engineering technicians, field technicians, electrical and electronic circuit troubleshooting, commercial and industrial equipment maintenance and servicing, biomechatronics worker, electrical and electronic engineering technician, industrial machinery mechanics, cybernetic technician. So these job roles are some of the job roles that you will be able to apply for. If you want to know more about the job roles that you will be able to work in, then you can go to their website, official website, to know more about this, more about the job roles, and also to know more about the course in detail. So eligibility, so now let us look at, after knowing the career opportunity and what's in it for you, now let us look at the eligibility criteria to enroll in the course. So to enroll in the regular 3-year program, you must have class 10th or 12th or PUC or vocational course certification. The minimum age limit to apply for this course is 24 years. So you'll have to be 24 years and you'll have to have your 10th or 12th or PUC or vocational course certification with you to be eligible to apply for this course. So this 3-year full-time diploma program in mechatronics combines the benefits of world-class automation system with cutting-edge learning approaches. NTTF, as you know, is one of India's finest universities, preparing students to be industry ready through employment-based and industry-integrated courses to close the country's industry-academia divide. And its diploma in mechatronics engineering and smart factory program is uniquely designed to build the right expertise of the students as per industry requirements. If you wish to know more about the course, then you can visit there. We have a dedicated page. We have a NTTF related dedicated page on our website, to which we'll leave the link in the description box below. You can check that out, and you can directly visit their program page on their official website, for which also we'll leave the link in the description box below. With this, we have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for watching our presentation. If you found this helpful, then do not forget to share it with your friends and family. We'll leave all the relevant link to this video in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out. If you wish to know more about the recent updates in the skilling industry, then do not forget to visit our website www.nationalskillsnetwork.in. And if you have any queries regarding this video, then you can write to us at contact@nationalskillsnetwork.com, or you can leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll try to answer your queries as much as we can. So before signing off, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Thank you so much.